Hello friends, welcome to devopsstack channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Terraform in Linux. Terraform installation is very easy compared to other DevOps tools. If you want to install Terraform, you have to go to Terraform official website that is called terraform.io. Once you go to the Terraform official page, you have to choose your operating system. In my case, I have chosen Linux Mission. Terraform will be packaged as a zip archive. After downloading Terraform, you have to unzip it first. In Linux, wget package is useful to download the files, and also unzip is useful to extract the files from zip files. Once you download the Terraform zip file, you have to unzip it by using the following command. If you observe here, there is a Terraform binary file extracted. That's it. Terraform installation is completed. Now I will show you Terraform installation practically. Let me take one Amazon EC2 instance from the EC2 dashboard. Here I have chosen Amazon Linux Mission. And I am giving the tag names Terraform. Now you can launch your instance by using your key pair. This is my EC2 instance. So take public IP of that EC2 instance and go to the putty for logging into the mission. So here EC2-user is the username and give your IP. Go to SSH authentication and provide your key. So I am giving my key. That's it. So once you log into the mission, you have to use the command mupdate-y. Once you're done with updation, go to Terraform website. Based on my operating system, I have chosen 64-bit version of the Terraform. I'm copying that link. Using wget, I have downloaded that one. Once you download the Terraform, you have to unzip it by using the unzip command. I'm removing that zip file by using the rm command. After removing the zip file, you have to run terraform-v. Okay, that's it. You will get Terraform version. If you observe here, if you go to any folder, then you can run Terraform. It will not work. Why? Because you have to set the path. Here, what I have done is I have moved the Terraform binary to user local bin directory. So once you move that, you have to run Terraform command that will execute. So if you go to any folder, then you can try to run Terraform. That's it. Terraform working perfectly. Please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.